The walls at work got a new paint job, and unfortunately, so did my jacket. So the plot is, how do I get this out without turning my coat into tie-dye? Because that's also not a look that I'm interested in. No. If I soak it in rubbing alcohol and then just brush it out, it should come out. It's cool because actually when you leave it in here and rub it, you see the paint coming out into the alcohol. So like the water is actually getting a little bit cloudy. You should also probably make sure that you don't have any open wounds when you're doing this, because that would be quite the extreme sport. It's working though. Like it really is coming out, which is amazing because I thought that this jacket was ruined. Alright, so up close, it's not perfect, but from far away, it's basically like nothing ever happened, right?